recollections of the fateful day he was caught stepping out of his relationship on Cheaters.
Janine and I were enjoying a really nice date on a lake, watching the sunset, drinking, sitting and having a good time. And Nikki comes up and catches me doing what I'm doing when I shouldn't have been, when I knew I should have been there. I wish I wouldn't have done it the way I did. Could have chilled things out a lot smoother with Nikki, and maybe then things would be better now.
Nikki! What the are you doing?
I'm working.
What is this bull? You're working?
I'm here.
Out here by the lake? Who's this?
It's Janine.
Hi, what's your name?
Janine.
Janine, I'm
Yeah,
Clark
what is
Gable
this?
with Cheaters.
Hey.
The reason why I'm here is because...
What is this, Dustin?
That is Dustin's fiance of 3 years. Were you aware of that?
I had no clue, actually. Wow. Hey, did you know this is my fiance right here? No, I'm sorry, babe. No, that's... What the hell, Dustin?
I didn't talk to Janine after the competition for a while. She shunned me, didn't really talk to me. We don't go hang out now. With Nikki, it was always coming home, bills, work. I actually enjoyed going out and having fun with Janine. With Nikki, I tried coming home, working it out, letting her do what she wanted to do, and I brought her flowers, I brought her chocolates. It just, no amount of stuff could replenish the love that I took from her. I'm now home and alone, with no cat, with nothing, and I just try and be a better person today. I'm sorry.
Sorry, you're gonna go in the...
Baby, I'm sorry.
You.
So you never told her that you had a fiance or anything?
No.
I mean, you should go clean off your dirty sins in that water, man. I'd walk a little farther out there, maybe. How do you feel about yourself right now, Dustin? Do you want to apologize maybe to your fiance?
You're such a dog.
I'm sorry, Nikki.
Don't tell your damn thing that you have a fiance.
I'm sorry.
God.
With Nikki, I hope that we can eventually become friends again and maybe work this out. But I have to let her do that in her due time. I fucked up. I don't like the fact that I'm alone now. But I brought that on myself, and I can't change that now. I'm trying to pick up the pieces step by step and just live a healthy life.